want to touch that, don't you? Those feet sure are wobbly. Yes, they are. Autumn, if you want to get down, you might need some help. That's a lot of fun there. That's the way. That's how you get down. You gonna go up again? Okay. Mama's right here. Atta girl. Don't let it fall on top of you. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. Let's help you. There we go. All right. No problem. I'm a big girl. Yeah. You want to move it here? You want to walk over here? And my feet, where are they at? There they go. Atta girl. Okay, Mama might need to help you a little bit. Do you need some help? No? No? Hi. Oh, you're gonna fall. Oh, you're gonna fall. Okay, bye-bye, camera. Say bye-bye, camera. Ouch. It got in the way. It's okay. Yes. Yes. Let me help you. Here you go. Sit down. Sit down. That a girl. That was easy enough. I want to do it again.